I don't really wash my hair in braids anymore. Hi UC gang, welcome back to my channel. My name is Usane Kaku for those who don't know, and I am back again with another video. This time I'm showing you how it is I maintain my knotless box braids. So before we get into the video, how do you like my new setup? Let me know down in the comments below. So it's not finished yet, but soon it will be. I'm just adding like a few touches, to make it simple. Don't forget to like if this video has helped you, or if you maintain your own braids in a similar way that I'm about to do in front of you right now. And if you have not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button before you continue on with my video, and then we can party together. Okay, so here we are dealing with 4-week-old braids. Actually, they'll be 4 weeks old when Monday comes. Today is Saturday, but I mean, potato, right? So we are dealing with 4-week braids, and my hair still looks very good, very neat. That's also partly because my hair is thin, and I find that my thin hair tends to stay nicer longer in braids compared to my other friends who have thicker hair than I do. But yeah, these are 4 weeks old, and as you can see, they still look pretty decent. Some fuzz has come up here and there, but it's nothing near to the point where I would say that I need to take them out now, because clearly you can see everything still looks pretty much bomb.com. But as you can see, my scalp is getting dry. That's okay, because it's a good thing that today is pretty much my wash day, and I put wash day in quotes because I don't really wash my hair in braids anymore. I used to, but I stopped doing that. Nothing wrong with washing my hair in braids. It didn't really cause me any harm to do that. It's just now that I have new products that kind of take that washing hassle away from me, I just stick to those now. So on my wash days, I go in with these two products. This one is the Yes Her Studio Eucalyptus Breeze Refreshing Scalp Cleans for a clean scalp between wash days. And this one is the Yes Her Studio Stimulating Scalp Serum for a nourished and balanced scalp, okay? Elaine, who is the CEO of Yes Her, she does the braids, she produces the products that you see on her website and everything. Are products that I really do like from her, especially this eucalyptus scalp braids. I really do enjoy this product, and I enjoy using the oil throughout the week. I'm going to go ahead and show you how exactly it is I put these two products on when I'm trying to wash my scalp. So with this eucalyptus breeze cleanser, it's supposed to refresh your scalp and stimulate it while lifting up build up to keep your scalp from itching and flaking throughout the week. So on wash days, I go ahead and apply this to my scalp first. Basically, I just go down row by row, and I spray each part of my scalp and I rub it in. My mirror is right here, so I'm going to be looking this way. And so right now everything is refreshed, everything is wet. Okay, so now once I'm done with the eucalyptus breeze, I follow it now with the stimulating scalp serum, and basically I'm just gonna go down each row again, and I'm going to do the same thing, spray it on and rub it into my scalp. This spray is more like this spray is more like a spray, but with the oil, the spray is more streamlined, which I like because it gives me more control of where I'm putting it in my scalp. I figure, if you're spraying something on your scalp, the spray doesn't need to be that big where it's gonna fill your entire head, because it's just for your scalp, not your head. So I do like how the way the spray is, they let me control where I put it on in my scalp. Okay, so yeah, that is basically it for my wash day process. My scalp now feels tingly, it feels warm, and it definitely feels refreshed. So this is why I like using these products to wash instead of going into the shower and going through the whole hassle of wet hair. I don't feel a need to go back in and use the oil again until like after a few days. Usually the moisture and softness lasts for maybe 2 or 3 days, but after that during the week I will go back in with my oil and go down through my scalp with it again, whenever I'm starting to feel like, okay, I need to refresh with the oil. I'm going to come back tonight and show you the rest of what I do. But right now, this is my wash day routine. Okay, so I am back and it is time for me to go to bed. I am pretty tired, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you all my night routine. So the first thing I'm gonna do first is I'm going to go ahead and take my braid sheen spray. Now, when you wear a protective style, you're going to want to use some kind of braid spray or leave-in spray, okay? Because what's important is that you moisturize your hair underneath, okay? It's not so much that you keep this maintained, you have to keep your hair inside maintained and moisturized. Otherwise, when you take your hair out, you're just gonna be taking out dead dry hair, and it's just gonna be breaking out. So you want to make sure your hair inside is healthy. So I pick a braid spray that is going to, a lot of braid sheen sprays, the purpose of them is to give you shine, but braid sprays can also give your hair moisture. Now, the thing with me and braid sprays right now is I still have yet to find one that works perfectly on me, because I have not found a braid spray that was able to make my hair as moisturized as the one I was using back in Namibia. So I've been switching between different braid sprays. Right now I'm on this one. I was using it before and then I switched out, and then I was trying some other stuff, and now I've switched back to this one. I think this one for some reason it's starting to work a little better, but I'm still not totally convinced. But yeah, I used this for the purpose of, yes, giving my braids shine, but most importantly, I want it to keep my hair moisturized and healthy underneath. So you can use a braid spray, or you can use a leave-in that you spray on your braids. So I'm gonna go ahead and pretty much douse my hair all up in this spray. So, and my mirror is right here. I'm gonna make sure I cover everything. I may have done a lot, but you want to make sure that you've covered everything. No spots missing. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Okay, now like I said before, if I noticed my scalp starting to get dry again during the day, then I would go in with my oil that I used earlier, the stimulating scalp oil, and I would rub that down on my scalp. But because you guys just saw that this morning I pretty much already used that along with the scalp cleanser, I don't need to use it because my scalp feels fine. I'm going to now go ahead and take care of my edges. You all know how I'm currently on an edge journey right now. So in my video that I have before this one, I do mention how I kind of switched up my routine and I started just using water and then the oils again. But literally right after the video, like a week after I made that video, I went back to using, so I'm not doing a complete LCO method, but I did start using leave-in on my edges again. So now, after giving my edges some love for healthy growth, now I'm gonna tie my hair up and put it in my braid sleeve. Okay, so at night I sleep with a bonnet, like a jumbo bonnet, and actually with these, so with these braids that I got, Elaine also gave me her braid sleeve, so I've been sleeping with that ever since. This is how I put my braid sleeve on. Okay, and it's a product, it serves the same purpose as wearing, you know, a jumbo silk bonnet at night, and it stays on. But this is how I put it on my head. I'll put a ponytail. Oops, my hair came out of place, my bad. Okay, I'll put it in a ponytail and then I'll loop it through like this. And just cause I'm me, I prefer to put my logo, the little logo in the front, but you know, of course you don't have to. Then I'm gonna go through here, pull my hair out, and take the ponytail off. I find that to be the easiest way. I put on my braid sleeve. So basically, yeah, that is the end of my night routine with these braids. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope it helped some of you out there, especially my fine and thin haired ladies like moi. And yes, comment down below, let me know how you maintain your braids when you get them, especially if you like getting knotless braids too. I know a lot of people complain about how knotless braids go bad faster. I do think it's somewhat true. They do go get a little frizzy faster at the ends just because of how the install is, but they also add to a more natural look, which I really do enjoy, and they are definitely safer on the hair if you are a thin natural like me. So truthfully, I don't think I'm ever gonna switch back to regular braids because these braids are pretty much the truth. Just make sure that at night you are you do have something on your head, like a silk or satin bonnet or your braid sleeve, to maintain frizz, because all that friction on the pillow, that's really gonna be what kills your style. If this was helpful to you, go ahead and like the video like I said before, and subscribe to my channel for more hair tips. And if you enjoy seeing some makeup videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye.